How to add image in PDF. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser and go to the search bar. After that, search for PDF editor. Now, simply select any of the PDF editor that you want. You can also use I love PDF for that. After that, select your PDF file. After it opens, all the pages will appear, and then there will also be an option of adding images or any other files. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.